surprising study finds that red meat may actually be protective against cancer. But before we run with this hook, line, and sinker, we should actually look into it. First thing that anti-red meat crowd will say when looking at this study is the study didn't actually isolate red meat, just animal protein. The second thing that they will say is that it's an epidemiological study and it relies on data collected from surveys. And the third thing they will say is that it is funded by people who stand to benefit from animal protein being beneficial for our health. Which is super ironic because the exact same people that will attack this study are the exact same people that will post articles like this backed by studies of the exact same nature. So maybe we should slow our roll on relying on studies and use just a tiny bit of common sense. Imagine a species whose most nutrient-dense, bioavailable food source turns out to be detrimental to their health. See, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. Why would the food that gives us the most nutrients in the most bioavailable, digestible form end up being bad for us? It's almost like it wouldn't, and it's almost like we should stop relying on either of these headlines to make our nutrition choices. Eat a whole bunch of red meat and see what happens.